Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today, we are going to dive into a controversial question: how much meat does our body really need? With so many diets and conflicting information out there, it's important to separate fact from fiction. So, let's get started. Before we discuss the quantity of meat our body needs, it's crucial to understand the role of a balanced diet. Our bodies require a combination of macronutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, as well as essential micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Meat is known for being a rich source of protein, which plays a vital role in our body's functions. When it comes to meat, there are various options available. Beef, poultry, pork, fish, and other types of seafood are commonly consumed around the world. Each type of meat offers a unique nutritional profile, but the key is to choose lean cuts that are low in saturated fats. Now the question is how much meat our body needs. Now it is crucial to understand the construction of the human body. Human body consists. Very important information is that the human body consists of only 7% meat, 70% water, 20% fat, 1 or 2% various vitamins and minerals, and only 1% sugar. Non-vegetarian is one of the main components of human body structure and function. It is called a very important molecule, ATP, which does most of the work in cell formation. It also produces enzymes, hormones, and neurotransmitters. Apart from this, it controls the organs and tissues of the body. Undoubtedly, it is one of the fundamental role players. It does not mean to eat non-vegetarian food indiscriminately. Certain precautions must be observed in eating non-vegetarian food. If not, there is more risk of harm than good. How much meat is needed in our body? First, we need to know how much non-vegetarian food is needed in a healthy body. According to research, a healthy person can eat 1 to 1.5 grams of meat per kilogram of body weight. Of this, 80% should be taken from non-vegetarian plants. For example, we can get natural nutrients from pulses, grains, seeds, greens, vegetables, nuts, etc. And 20% of our body needs to be made up of animal meat. Grains, seeds, greens, vegetables, and nuts, etc. are called live food or food rich in enzymes. On the other hand, any food made by man or prepared with delicious ingredients is harmful for the body. These are called dead food. They are made by mixing the addictive monosulfate ingredient, which does not do the body any good. People will eat both non-vegetarian and vegetarian, but according to natural rules. Eating only non-vegetarian or only vegetarian foods will not provide the body with the nutrients it needs. As a result, physical problems will arise. Structure of human body. Humans are both carnivores and herbivores in terms of body structure. Carnivores do not eat any grain or grass. Eat little or no grain or grass. On the other hand, although humans are carnivores, their constitution is mostly vegetarian. This is the natural explanation for humans in terms of the food intake process. As a result, if people consume only animal meat or 70% animal meat or meat food and milk like carnivores, then there is the highest risk of cancer, diabetes, thyroid, obesity, high blood pressure, heart disease or lifestyle-related diseases. But organic fish, grass-fed meat, ghee, and organic chicken are beneficial for the body. There should be moderation in food intake. On the other hand, excess meat will produce more acid and blood sugar in the body. As a result, metabolism or chemical reactions will be inhibited and the amount of fungal waste in the body will increase. So what to eat? The answer is consuming 2 to 3 liters of water per day, alkaline water. Eat more salads and vegetables with first cold-pressed organic olive oil, medicated coconut oil, nuts, seeds, avocado, grass-fed ghee or butter. Grain-based meat should be eaten. For example, pulses, chickpeas, tree nuts, cashew ranam, whole nuts, pine nuts, Brazil nuts, sweet pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, etc. Selected sugars, quinoa, red rice, black rice, sweet potato and oats, buckwheat should be eaten. These will be 15% of the total diet. Amount of fruit is small. For example, apple, currant, papaya, fig, pineapple. They contain a lot of enzymes that facilitate metabolism. Eat naturally raised chicken, fatty sea fish, naturally raised beef, chicken, duck, pigeon. Food should be made delicious with the mentioned ingredients. Otherwise, the desired green life like nature will not be available. Avoid oxidized food. Is it very important to be aware to stay healthy? Especially if you take a look at the daily food list, can you stay healthy for a long time? So it is necessary to know about food intake and storage. As a result of chemical oxidation with oxygen in a food, taste or toxic or normal color changes, it is oxidized food or oxidized food. Any raw foods such as fruits, vegetables, fish, meat usually gets oxidized within half an hour to maximum 1 hour after cutting. So after cutting them, they should be cooked or eaten as soon as possible. But if you want to store them in the refrigerator, put them in the refrigerator immediately after cutting. Remember, when taking out and cooking again, the food cannot be taken out and reinserted. Take care in the case of meat and fish, the amount you cook should be packed and stored in the refrigerator. Usually we take the fish or meat out of the refrigerator after thawing, take the rest as needed and put the rest back in the refrigerator, which is very harmful for the body. Adverse effects of oxidized food on the body. Oxidized food causes chronic diseases in the body. Oxidized food accelerates various degenerative diseases such as cancer, arthritis, cardiovascular disease, heart disease, diabetes, hormonal imbalance. This food has a harmful effect on the body very slowly, so we don't understand it. As a result of these foods, free radicals or harmful molecules are formed in the body, from which all complex diseases are created. It is currently the most tested scientific theory that free radicals cause oxygen deficiency in the body by sequentially damaging healthy and normal cells and DNA. Due to this, the arterial wall also gets damaged. Apart from this, infection, inflammation, and the surface of the arteries reduce the efficiency. As it is now proven, oxidized foods, not natural cholesterol and fats, are largely responsible for heart disease. So to live healthy, oxidized food should be avoided. Polyunsaturated fats, marketed edible oils, are completely oxidized, creating free radicals in the body. These free radicals attack the body's natural cholesterol and turn it into oxidized cholesterol. These oxidized cholesterol and oxidized fats that cause lesions in the arterial wall gradually block it. This is how the initial state of heart disease begins. Oxygen, sunlight, and excess heat help free radical reactions. So avoid marketed common edible oils, trans fats, hydrogenated and partially hydrogenated oils, all processed and packaged foods, marketed dairy products, pasteurized, overheated fried foods, processed foods with eggs, powdered milk and Romano cheese, and dried meats. Nitrates and nitrite-rich foods also accelerate free radical production. When you make a salad or cut fruit, it should be eaten within 30 minutes. So, if you eat oxidized food, you cannot maintain good health. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.